I told you I do not want valve feedback on my diaphragm valves. Why not? This is a very critical system. What if a valve does not operate properly? My issue is what happens when the switch does not work properly. I have many more problems with switches than I have with diaphragm valves. What problems do you have with switches? The switches I have tried are not sensitive enough to work on small valves. I get inaccurate signals when I have varying process conditions or when I have lower air supply pressure. The switches I have tried are hard to work on and are difficult to set. So, you want valve position feedback, but you want valve feedback to be accurate, work in the real world and easy to maintain and to own. Is that right? Yes. That is exactly what I want. You should look at the Sunder's I-VUE valve sensor. The I-VUE offers continuous sensing of valve position with accuracy of less than 0.2 mm, so small valves, even quarter-inch, are no problem. What about varying process conditions? For example, when process is 40 psi, CIP is 100 psi and then I have steam at 28 psi and then vacuum. How does the I-VUE compensate for such wide-ranging process conditions? The I-VUE uses continuous sensing technology and always knows valve position. The I-VUE can be programmed to overcome varying line and air supply conditions and provide accurate readings at all times. How is the I-VUE programmed? The I-VUE is programmed using unique magnetic keys. There is no need to open the switch to set open and closed points. The I-VUE has a smart window with LED text to assist in both setting the switch and also in programming a range of operating parameters, alarms and other useful information. Whoa! That sounds like too much work. Not at all. You are in control. If all you need is accurate and reliable feedback, the I-VUE with integral solenoid valve can be set in 3 seconds at the sensor, or from the control panel, if using I-VUE or DeviceNet. If you want the advanced features, then programming is as easy as programming a television remote, so the I-VUE can be network-enabled. Yes. The Sunder's I-VUE is available as a point-to-point switch or with I-VUE or DeviceNet. The I-VUE has an optional integral solenoid valve as well. Oh. Integral solenoid. That is another sore spot for me. I find integral solenoid valves too slow to operate large valves. The Sunder's I-VUE integral solenoid has a CV of 0.9. It will open and close even 4-inch valves quickly. What about position indication? The Sunder's I-VUE has a necklace of green and red LEDs to indicate open and closed position, plus physical position indication. This is critical in the event of the loss of power. What advanced features does the Sunder's I-VUE have? The Sunder's I-VUE has both total cycle and interval cycle counters, internal heat alarm, solenoid voltage alarm, sleep mode and address alarms, both duplicate address and no address and time to stroke alarm. It sounds like the answer to my dreams. But I have to live within my budget. The I-VUE is competitively priced with other switch options that do not have this full range of features or the same level of accuracy and reliability. Do I have to talk to John VT? No, you can bypass John VT. You can get information on the Sunder's I-VUE from any Sunder's direct sales engineer or one of Sunder's fine distributors.